Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing SWOT analysis PowerPoint slide that you can use to level up your slides as well. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use as well for own personal uses. So let's begin. So for our like a short instruction, I'll show you all these shortcuts that I'll use in this video. So next what you have to do is open up a blank slide and insert a background image, and you have to use a high resolution image. So let me just press Ctrl and then drag it onto the slide that it covers the entire slide. Next we're going to go to crop option and we're going to crop it that it only fills the slide and does not come out of the slide. Next, we'll insert a text box onto the top of the slide and align it into the middle, bold it and increase its size and change its color to white. Because this is gonna be our title, so let's use a real black font for it, which is a really bold font. We're gonna increase its size and then give it some spacing if we want. We're gonna insert a small text box just in the below bottom part of the slide, in which we're gonna write our either our website's like link or our name or the template it is presented from, the name of the presenter. Next we're gonna insert a straight line and then give it a gradient of 3 gradient stops. One goes into the 50% and we're gonna give each of the gradient stop a white color. Next, for the side gradient stops, we're going to give them full 100% transparency. And for the middle of the gradient stop, we'll just give it 50% transparency. So this is how it looks right now, and it's look pretty calming and a pretty nice style. So I'll use Control plus D for duplicating these straight lines in horizontal and a vertical manner. Group all of these and increase their between size so that we can have some space for our letters. So we're just gonna ungroup them by pressing Ctrl Shift plus J, and this is how you do this. So next we're gonna insert a text box right in the first place right here, bold it, increase its size so that we can clearly see it, and then change its font. So now change this fill to white color and we're gonna move it right here, duplicate it and then place it on top of the first one that they both overlap. Cover the half part of it with a rectangle, select the first one shape and we're gonna subtract both of these shapes. For the bottom part, put a rectangle on it, select the first letter and then the rectangle and then click on subtract. Similarly, we're gonna insert another new text box in which we're gonna bold it, increase its size, use the same font, and then we're gonna give the same size as we gave to the first letter. And next we're gonna give it a middle alignment and change its color to white as well. So we'll just have it sized right here like this. Duplicate it and place it into the third place. Duplicate it and place it into the fourth place as well. And you're gonna just change your text in a numbering manner. Select all of these and then group them so that we can put them into the middle of the slide. Now ungroup them and you're going to duplicate second letter and you're going to similarly place rectangle on half part or half top part and then half bottom part and then subtract it from your rectangle. So first of all we're going to select the alphabet or the letter, then we're going to select the rectangle, then we're going to merge them by clicking on subtract option. Similarly on the third letter we're just gonna overlap them by duplicating them, placing them onto each other, and then we're gonna select the third letter and then the rectangle and then intersect it. So let me just rearrange them that there is no space between all of them. Similarly, we're gonna repeat the process with the fourth letter as well. By the way, let me tell you that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use as well for personal use or school use or college or like that personal use only. And if you use this template to make other videos, of course that will have you some copyright. The next thing you're going to do is just duplicate the slide while holding control, move the image, expand it, And you're gonna move these one half part of it upwards and half downwards. So we're gonna do the same for the other four letters after moving the title and the website link out of the template. Be sure to use a shift key while moving these objects around because we're gonna give these templates more transition, and for more transitions it's really important that about the it is really important that you move your shapes in a straight line, a node in a diagonal, or any other like manner. So we just want them to smoothly go up and open up, and we don't want to like move them from their place that it becomes faded animation. So this is how you make it. And next we're gonna insert our titles in between each of the letters. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos like these. And I want you to appreciate us in any way that is like suitable for you. So also comment down to let us know what you think about our videos, and you can also give us suggestions if you want. The next thing we're gonna do is duplicate the same slide, and we're gonna close up the second, third, and fourth letter in the middle of the slide, that both of the parts of the letters touch the middle line. And for the first letter, just give it some content text fill and a title. And I'll just use the text that I have previously clipboarded to be used as a placeholder. So this is just a placeholder text. You can insert your real text right here. And let's just change this fill to white as well. Next, we're gonna expand the picture size and duplicate the slide, and we're gonna expand the image as well. Cut these text box from the first letter. We're gonna expand the second letter, and we're gonna put those first letters back together. Similarly, we're gonna copy our like the title from the first slide, and we're gonna paste it right here. Next we're gonna put our content text into in between the second one, duplicate it, and we're gonna repeat the same process. That when the same steps are gonna be used, expand the image, and you're gonna unexpand the second letter and expand the third letter again. For reference, to see how much we have expanded our previous letter, let's use the second letter for some time. Then after we had expanded our third letter, let's just put our second letter back. Similarly, we're gonna give our title right here again from the second slide that we have written. Next, we're gonna copy our text and let's paste it right here, which is gonna be our content text. Let me just make some customization, because if you don't use your different text, it will in more transition it will also be given more transition, so I don't want to do that. Next we're going to duplicate the slide, and we're going to move the third letter back, closing. And next for the fourth letter, just open it up and you're going to insert your text box, which is the content text, and insert your title text as well. So here you go. So it's all complete. Duplicate the first slide and move it into the last slide. Select all of your templates, go to transitions tab and click on more transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video today. And if you liked our video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download the template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use for your own personal uses. And you can also check out my other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.